It's 12 a.m., and the kitchen is calling me. What's that sound? Is the fridge singing or what?
Wait! Before I open the fridge, hit like and subscribe fast in case I disappear! Oh wow, blue light is coming out of it.
Did I just enter a sci-fi movie or what? Let's go! Whoever's scared doesn't get cheese! What is this? Cheese as tall as buildings! I finally found the real paradise!
Oh no, a giant meatball!
Wait, that sound is not comforting. Run before you turn into dinner! The cheese is melting faster than my nerves! Whoa! I almost turned into pizza! Now that's a proper weapon! Come here, meatball. Let's see who wins.
Yeah, it's soft.
Hey, that's cheating! I'm in a food horror movie! Bread is my lifesaver! This is the most dangerous bread ride in history! I survived! Barely!
Okay, now this place looks sweet. This is bigger than my house!
That doesn't sound friendly. Why is it suddenly freezing? Okay, this is definitely not cheese anymore.
Why are there peas everywhere?
That sound does not belong to vegetables.
Please tell me that's not a live bar?
Is that a frozen pea dragon?
Why is it so slippery here?
Okay, that looks dangerous. That wind feels like a freezer on max. I can't even stop!
I need gloves!
That was too close!
Wait, I have an idea!
Time to turn up the heat. This might actually work. Heat beats ice!
It's melting! That's a lot of soup! It's getting weaker! It turned into soup! What's shining over there?
Please don't be hot.
That looks important!
No way, key. This must be the exit key.
Now I just need the door.
There it is. Almost home. Don't fall now.
Home is waiting for me. Wait, what was that?
You've got to be kidding me. Let go! This place never quits. The spaghetti wants revenge. Round two. Round two.
Snip?
Not today.
Freedom!
Not today. Don't stop now! This is here. Please work.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! I'm coming home. No more food monsters. Now or never. Back to the real world. Almost there. I made it. Everything looks normal.
Was that real?
If you want another adventure inside the fridge, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell.